Hey everyone, it's Allie, and over the next several weeks, I am going to be on a quest to get my yarn and fiber stash organized, and I want to invite you along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it and get some ideas and tips and tricks on helping organize your own fiber and yarn stash. As you can see, the first thing I did was I put all of my fiber on the dining room table so that I could sort through it. And one problem I know a lot of fiber artists have is that it's hard to keep our fiber and yarn organized. I'm currently having that issue right now, and I've been having that issue ever since I moved my craft room from upstairs to down in the basement. And for the next several videos, I am going to take you on a journey to organize this. I think the best way to do this is to start by pulling out the roving or top, because that's going to be the easiest ones to set aside. I know where a lot of this fiber came from and what it is, so as I'm pulling it out, I'm going to tell you what it is, as long as I know what it is and where it came from. And so hopefully you can learn a little bit along the way. So I'm going to start with these bags of legs. These are from my mom's sheep. I just wanted to have them in the pile so you guys could see just how big my fiber stash is. All right, so now that I've pulled out the fiber for my mom, then I'm going to move on to the roving. And this is bubblegum, the bubblegum colorway. This is from Paradise Fibers. Since this is only 2 ounces of fiber, I'm just going to do the braid from one side to the other, and I'm just going to do it by doing a chain that's like a crochet chain. See, here it is. And this is some pink roving from Paradise Fibers, and I'm going to spin this with the bubble gum, and then I'm hoping that the pink from this will bring out the other colors. I'm hoping both of them will enhance those colors. I'm setting the roving down behind me. There's a piece of furniture behind me that I can lay all of them out onto. This colorway is a merino blend. I plan to use this for this half for art bats and that sort of thing, and the other half to make the skein of yarn. This is also roving. I opened it up in one of my last videos. Now, if I happen to find roving that is already in a bag that's not with other roving or top, then I'm just going to put it back with the rest, because I don't want to pull it out. Okay, here's 2 braids of BFL. These were all together, but I broke them in half to make them easier to handle. Oh, and so I could potentially have all of them and so we could potentially have it have 2 skeins of 4 ounces of fiber. This BFL fiber came in a subscription box from Paradise Fibers. If you want one of your own subscription boxes, follow the link in the description below. I love the subscription boxes. I haven't gotten anyone recently, but I really love it. They're a lot of fun, and there are a lot of fibers that I would not have been able to try if I hadn't done these subscription boxes. So once I get all of the roving braided, then I'm going to put them all into one of these plastic bags. That's just, by the way, that's just a temporary solution. At least it'll keep it from getting dog hair on it, and keep it all together. If there are any other fiber artists watching this, I want to know what you do to keep your fur babies away from your yarn and fiber. Because my Beagle mix and my Border Collie mix tend to get themselves into mischief. Okay, so this is the Silk Merino blend from Chameleon Fiber Arts that I unwrapped the other day. Just check that out. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to stay in its bag. I'm not going to put it into one of the plastic bags. This year I'm all about experimenting with different fibers and different techniques, and this is an alpaca silk blend. I got this from the Eastern Iowa Spinners and Weavers Guild. In my next video, we're going to go over which fibers are going to go into grab bags and which fibers are going to go into art bats for me to make art yarn. This is hand-dyed rambouillet. From MagicFire. I'm gonna, and my plan as of right now, and plans can change, is to spin one of these braids and with these Rolex from Wild Wool Farm. Now, over here, I've got some roving that is part of a project that is part way done. And I had started spinning it on my drop spindle. Oh, as you can see. And I need to finish that up. But I needed my drop spindle for something else. So I had to pull it off. So I am going to put this in one of these gallon-sized bags, just so that all the fiber can stay together. This fiber is from YourFiberyGodmother on Etsy. And so far I've gotten 2 or 3 different fiber braids from her, and I've absolutely loved it. Here's some top. It's Malabrigo. That's gonna be fun. And this is some Targhee wool all roving. And this is from Edgewood Garden Studios. And I am really looking forward to spinning it up. And like I said, I'm really interested in spinning with different fibers this year. So I want to know what you want to see me spin, and what videos you want to see me do. If you're tired of seeing the spinning videos and you just want to see the fiber process videos, let me know that. If you want to keep seeing the spinning videos, I'd be happy to continue showing you the spinning videos, because I'm going to be spinning anyway. This one was also started on my drop spindle, and I need to finish spinning that up. I may do the rest of it on my spinning wheel and then ply them together. I think that's what I'm going to do with my YourFiberyGodmother too. And then of course I also got this roving from Paradise Fibers. And this is going to go into grab bags, I think. Or at least that was my original plan. Alright, well, I hope you've liked this video, and I hope it's given you some ideas for how to organize your fiber. And so stick around for my next video, and I will show you how I'm going to organize all these different fibers into manageable bags that can be used for spinning, or can go into grab bags that'll be available on my Etsy store. So take care, have a great day, bye.